I decided to do this video without Fidget cats, and she's so grumpy. Just kidding. I could never do that. She's my sidekick. And she always forgives me, even though I bother her so much. She loves me. Okay. This right here is a beat up box from China. Now, I'm pretty sure that this is from NJT Hand Power. I can't imagine what else it could be. So let's see. They all seem to use the same tape. Like this orangey kind of masking tape. Sheba, are you paying attention? Can't ever get good help these days. This is not from NJT Hand Power. I wonder if this is... What the hell is this shit? Is this the fixed thing for the Zoom? Oh no, I think I know what this is. This might be that one slider that I still have yet to receive from Marcelinda? Or was it from, I don't even know what the hell I ordered anymore from where. But I think this is that expensive budget slider, but I've heard good things about it. This is definitely it. Fuck. Okay. Wow, it comes with a lot of extras. Good balls and tape. Got some stickers here. Oh, look, it's a COA in Chinese. Does it have anything underneath hiding? No. Okay. So let's see what the actual slider looks like. Dude, this thing, how come they always look so much bigger in the videos? It's because they have tiny hands. I'm not hating on them for having tiny hands. I'm just saying, wow, this thing's cool looking. So I've been told that this is pretty decent. Oh yeah. It is decent. It's really nice. Wow. I'm gonna open it up real quick and see what's going on. Oh, we got some balls in there. Wow. Magnets are super strong. Feels really nice to the touch. And there's a lot of grip. This is nice. Holy shit. Sheba. 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 Do you like it? All right, let me flip it around. Okay, so this is the stuff that it came with. So we got extra balls and some sliding tape. Here's that COA that we don't know what it says. Got 2 stickers here. And here's the slider. Now, it came in all different materials, I guess. I thought this, it was like an orange and black. Looked pretty cool. So, look at that. Yeah, sounds good. Plus, it can go either way. So you could do silent or... Wow. So this is what it looks like inside. Oh, shit. It's got tape already on there. I wonder what it would be like without the balls. I always gotta try that. So they had, the setup they have is 5 balls on each side. So let's see. Come on, balls, get out of here. Why are the balls sticking in there? Are they magnetic? Come on, ball, get out of there. Okay. Let's see. See, you can't do that move with these center pivot ones. You can go all the way up. It's not really meant for that. But what's interesting is it still slides really well without the balls, which is pretty cool. Yeah, you need the balls in there. So let's put those balls back in there. This is just really well made. Very, very impressed. I guess this came from like another distributor. That's why it came separate. Am I not lining them up the way they're supposed to, or does it matter? Hold on. This is me being OCD. I'm feeling like there's some freaking pattern that I need to match up or something. So cool looking. Feels really good. It feels like almost like a polycarbonate wood or something. Yeah, I don't think that there's anything for me to match up, really. No. It feels really great. I love it. Really, really nice. I'd highly recommend. This thing is awesome. Really nice. And it's like, the ergonomics is really nice. You can feel like this part has a ton of grip. And it goes both ways. I just love it. It feels great. I'm going to put the link in the description. Let me see if I can try to get a good shot of it for you guys. Nice, huh? Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching.